Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the camera to scan a book page in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started browsing all the books we can go ahead and read, we can find posts by other people we follow within the application and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to use the camera to scan a book. So basically, if you look right here at the bottom of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access and one of them is going to be called our library. From here, we can open up my scanned books. As you can see, once you click on my scanned books, you're going to be able to take a look at all the books you scanned with your camera. So to be able to scan it with your camera, you're going to click the create button right here in the bottom right corner. That's going to enable you to add a new post within your book section. And once you click on book, this is going to enable you to go and scan your book. So here, as you can see, you have the reading on Kindle option as well. That's going to enable you to add your book. But basically, guys, if you want to go and scan it, you can go and make your post, select the book you're reading, and then you're going to go and be able to add an image. As you can see, you have the add image option right here. That's going to enable you to go ahead and scan your book. So just like that, use your camera, go and scan your book, edit your post, and then you're going to go and be able to find it within your library right here, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.